Hey guys, welcome back to Azure Every Day. I'm Adam Jorgensen with Pragmatic Works, and today I'm going to talk to you about 4 things that you really should know as you start to build your first data solution in Azure. And it's really not that different from the types of things that you need to know when you're building your first data solution on premises. You got to know how to store and organize your data. You got to be able to move it around, orchestrate it, pipeline it, all that kind of good stuff. You got to have a place to stage it or to land it, and so you can query it and get the data back out. And then you got to have a way to visualize it, to help the data, explore it, tell a story, do whatever you're going to ultimately do with it. And so I'm going to give you basically 4 cloud Azure Microsoft services that you should focus on in terms of your own learning and development if you're interested in recreating some of the magic that you've created with Microsoft BI and reporting over the years, but doing it even bigger and better and bolder in the cloud. All right, let's jump into it. Number 1, Azure Storage. There's lots of different types of Azure storage. Just focus right now on Azure Blob Storage. There's definite use cases for a few of the different types of storage. They're all great in their own way, but Azure Blob Storage is the one that most people start with, get caught up with first. It's also the easiest one to sort of get data in and out of for a beginner. Second to storage would be Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory is a lot, some people would call it SSIS in the cloud. It's not SSIS in the cloud, but it is sort of your best method for orchestrating and pipelining actions and activities and data movement in the cloud. So get familiar with Azure Data Factory. There's great labs online, actually some that were built by Pragmatic Works, that you can access right on Microsoft's site that'll walk you through how to do that in a couple of hours. Very straightforward. Number 3 is pick a data platform. Azure SQL DB, Azure SQL Data Warehouse, Cosmos DB. Doesn't matter which data platform you pick, just think about how you're going to store your data, what you need that data to do for you, and how you're going to want to be able to access it. Last but not least, number 4 is Power BI. Power BI gives you some of all of these capabilities all inside of it, between Power Query, being able to query, load, transform, and manipulate your data, all the way down through the amazing dashboarding and embedding and collaborative capabilities. But even if you just start with Power BI Desktop, it's incredibly powerful. It's free. It comes with your Office subscription if you have the right level of Office subscription. There are many ways that Microsoft has made this product incredibly accessible, and it continues to be updated every single month. So learn how to store your data in the cloud. Get a handle on Azure Storage. Get a handle on Azure Data Factory. We have tons of resources for that here on Azure Every Day. Get a handle on some place to store the data, like a data platform, SQL DB, SQL DW, Cosmos DB, and then round it out with Power BI. If you invest a month, a little bit of time on the weekend, a little bit of time at lunch, you can cover all 4 of those, and you'll be a rock star ready to go in the cloud. If you have any questions or you need more info from us, we're here at Pragmatic Works to help you. Thanks so much for stopping by Azure Every Day. I'm Adam Jorgensen.